let's look at another example. Suppose we have been given let's say y. Okay, y is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 3. Okay, so again, what we want is to find the y-intercept and the x-intercept. For y-intercept, it will give us -3. I'm sure by now you get it. Okay, if we are finding the y-intercept, that means it will give us -3. How? Because our x will be 0. So wherever there is x, we put 0. So y is equal to 2, open bracket, 0 squared plus 0 minus 3. This will give us 0. 0 squared is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 is -3. So y is equal to -3. Then if we are now finding the x-intercept, that means our y is equal to 0. This one was for the y-intercept. That's why I found the values of y. For the x-intercept, we find the roots, okay, or the values of x. So we are going to say 2x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Where is this 0 coming from? Where there is y, we have replaced with that 0. Then we look for product, sum, factors. Remember, this is a. This is the coefficient of b here, x is b. Then you have c. So we have 2 times -3, we get -6. That's the product. Then for sum, we get b, which is 1. Then we look for factors. How we find the product? We multiply a times c. Okay, so it was 2 times -3. 2 times -3, we got -6. Then for sum, we only get a b. So we need to look for two numbers that if we multiply those two numbers, we should get -6. But if we add them, we should get a 1. If you're unable to find the factors, what you're supposed to do quickly, you jump in and use the quadratic formula. So we have 2x squared plus 1x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we say x is equal to -b, positive or negative, square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then our a is 2, our b is 1, and our c is -3. So we start replacing. Where there is b, we put 1. I prefer to put it in brackets in case there's a negative, so that you don't get to ignore the negative sign. Then in square root. So we have 1 squared minus 4, open bracket, we have 2 minus 3 over 2, open bracket, 2. Then we say x is equal to 1 times negative times 1 is -1. Positive or negative, square root. Then we say 1 squared, it's 1. So we say 1 squared minus 4, open bracket, close bracket, open bracket again, -3, close bracket. What we have? 25 over 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have x is equal to -1 plus root 25 over 4. Or, all right, x is equal to -1 minus root 25 over 4. Somebody might be confused. What I'm doing is I'm getting -1 plus the first plus root, okay? So to be -1 plus 25, root 25 over the same 4. Then after that, I say -1 minus. No wonder here there's a plus, there's a minus, because of the positive or negative there. Okay? Then we know square root of 25 is 5. So say x is equal to -1 plus 5 over 4. Or x is equal to -1 minus 5 over 4. Then we say x is equal to -1 plus 5 is -1 plus 5 is 4 over 4. So x is equal to 4 divided by 4, it's 1. Then what we have there? We say -6. -1 minus 5 is -6 over 4. Then we can simplify this. We say 2 can enter into 4, 2 can enter into 6. So 2 into 6 is negative, we get a 3. Then 2 into 4 is 2. Okay, so this is the other root. So we have x is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 3 over 2.